5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You will answer for your arrogance. Confess your sins, lest they consume.
5,
See, I'll stop going full Pepega in the last week, man.
1. Blood Christ.
Maybe.
That was pretty good
Failed
pull though.
every door.
Yeah, we kill it now. Just focus.
I mean, we covered at least for the one of the old.
Yeah, I mean, it was impressive that no one managed to get neutralised on that bit. It was Slifer rolled into it and then the fastest backpedal I've ever fucking seen. It was clutch.
Ravage. Ravage.
I can grip you there if you want, thank you, but people seem to get agitated with me when I grip them. If you want to grip someone, always grip me. I'm always in the wrong place.
4,
Well, no, because he's meant to be on me.
2, 1.
I thought you were talking about the last phase. No.
Sad.
I did grip Hank in the last phase, that's true. He was still. She's sick.
Ravage. Ravage.
Where's purple packy? Bottom of the DPS.
I missed the in the way taste buff from no
Yes. You need to be there before like it's going on, yeah. Oh, that's fine. Oh, it wasn't because me and Radrox nearly killed me. Nearly.
Me and I just nearly killed.
Yeah, because we tried to stack on each other because you were fucking in Africa. Again, nearly. I hate you. I had your complete control of my character.
One round the back.
900.
You rate that line, Didios? Good job.
Now,
Oh, perfect.
Ravage. March of the Charge.
Look, the damage we don't need.
Quick, wait.
You're such a Twitch meme, Rams.
I mean,
Yeah,
he's a streamer, dude.
it's gonna say, yeah,
Yeah.
when he becomes that big, that
Oh
many
fuck,
followers.
true. How many keck weight do you get in your chat?
Crimson Cavalry.
200 million.
That's a lot.
That's a lot indeed.
Big number, yeah.
I'm gonna definitely start keck weighting in your chat.
Racking Pain. Racking Pain.
Bam!
Five. Racking Pain. 4, 3, 2, Racking 1. Hand of Destruction. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Watch
Racking
the front
Pain.
door.
Racking Pain. Massacre. Five,
Stand near the edge.
4, 3, 2, Racking
Stand
1.
near the edge.
Racking Pain. Hand of Destruction.
Oh,
4,
perfect.
3, 2,
Wait
One.
closed.
Crimson Cavalry. Racking Pain. Racking Pain.
Big dam on the range.
Men. Massacre.
Screams from their flesh.
was nervous because it was 5, but it wasn't.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4,
You can't talk and play, bro.
1.
Yeah, shut
Should've
up,
just
yeah.
took this volley.
Shh.
Wait, you died almost
Bark.
early only.
No, I should have walked into it.
Cal, bark.
Oh,
Woof.
that is dying now. Yeah.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
To the right.
5,
That's not being
4,
found.
3, 2, 1.
Rune up. Rune up poison most of the time.
Careful on boss damage. Just a little bit. Just on there, here we find damage.
Stop
Make
now.
sure you take the
Stop.
boss now.
Stop.
Yep.
4,
Careful.
3, 2,
Stop.
1.
Multi-shot. Fucking hunter.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Does range that one bloodlust a couple of seconds later or not?
Rah!
5,
Couldn't give a shit.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Just
Shattering
when we're all down, yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blood price.
None will survive.
Pull the thingy. My little purple.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shattering pain.
My little to green. Push to the right.
Scorn. 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 5, 4, 3,
Make sure you get both of them range.
1. Shattering pain. Scorn.
I'll try a little bit early.
Right, we're all baiting. Bait, bait, bait.
Sinister reflection. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Legs crossed.
1. Shattering pain. Scorn. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This guy consider low.
Blood price.
You will all die at my feet.
Melee.
Melee's out.
You know what that
I'm in
is?
the middle.
Oh, yeah.
5, 4,
I don't have.
Oh.
Oh,
1.
Rams didn't wait.
big, big.
Shattering pain. Scorn.
Ini.
Scorn.
Thanks.
Big.
Get in.
That's perfect.
It's down.
I'll stand on top of it, please.
Please get off the
Yeah,
gate, Cal.
call.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shattering pain.
Okay, we have
Just
CRs.
focus on soaking.
Oh, I can.
Rotate round.
Scorn. 5, 4,
Knock back in 5.
2, 1.
Innovate me, Dracop.
Shattering pain.
I also have an innovate.
5,
He's on Cal.
4, 3,
You
What
want it
price
now?
is first?
Yeah,
One.
just
After
use
this,
it
after
blood
this.
price.
after blow price. First.
Tony, when you come down from this, mates.
Hot exhaust, your life.
Yeah, I am.
5, 4, 3,
Thank you.
2,
Soak.
1. Shattering pain.
I'm good, my love.
Oh,
No,
God, fuck.
Why you blinked?
Isolation.
Don't soak.
Sinister
Just hit.
reflection.
I vinner with I
Take the res
wrestle you
bubble up
for
and block.
Unities! Unities!
4,
Piece of fucking shit!
Come on, Pablo!
Dots! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Come on!